Sets in Python. Sets in Python are created using curly braces, or the set function. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements, meaning they do not allow duplicate values. Sets are useful when we want to perform mathematical operations such as union, intersection, and difference. Here's an example of creating a set. Accessing and modifying sets. Since sets are unordered, we cannot access elements by index. However, we can check if an element exists in a set using the in keyword. To add an element to a set, we can use the add method. For example, fruits.add_grape would add grape to the fruits set. To remove an element, we can use the remove method. For instance, fruits remove banana would remove banana from the fruits set. Set operations. Sets support various operations such as union, intersection, and difference. The union of two sets can be obtained using the union method the operator. The intersection of two sets can be obtained using the intersection method the and operator. The difference between two sets can be obtained using the difference method the operator euro.